Hey, hopefully I'm not cutting my head off in this video. I've got loads to do today. The bearings for the mill have arrived, so I can get those fitted. The only trouble is I haven't got the oil seal yet, but I actually think I can fit the bearings without the oil seal and just do that at the end. But to be honest, I've got so much other stuff to do. I think that's probably more of a week job. In a week, I've got 3 carburetor rebuild kits for the boat, because we're starting to think about putting the boat in the water and getting JGB in for some diving. So I need to just service the carburetors for that, so I've got that to do. I've also got this, which has arrived, a 3-ton chain hoist, which I'm going to put up on the hoist. I've also got a dog. I've also got a door which I got from work, which I'm going to make into a worktop unit to go upstairs. Not very interesting, but it's got to be done. And then I've also got another RSJ or I-beam, which I'm going to use for my new idea of lifting the sub. So the idea is that that beam is going to go through the viewports, and I'm going to jack it up and support it on concrete blocks. And the same on that side. Well, I might use the jacks on that side and the hoist. So I got a little bit delayed today because this piece doesn't fit yet again now. So I've just had to modify it to add another piece in there to this will fit. But I would have been all right, but friend of mine came around with his rebreather to modify. That's taken a bit of a while. I've got to modify this rebreather frame for a friend of mine, so we've been discussing that, so I've got a bit delayed. Shame really, I really wanted to try out the new hoist because it looks really cool. The Land Rover's leaking fuel as well. That's fuel. It's coming out the manual lever for the lift pump. So I've got a new one. I'm gonna fit that tomorrow.